And we're also going to put a little bit of green down into the vase. So when we do the green here for the vase, make sure you don't do those like in straight lines. They're kind of curved, bent. So these are probably the stems, the flower stems. For the vase, I am going to mix some blue and green. And it's going to give us like a dark green blue color. We're going to add some details on the vase. Okay, and then we're going to use a bit of brown. So it's like brown red, I would say. We're going to mix red and brown. So it's still going to be brown, but it's on a reddish side. And then with this color, we're going to do a few stems up here. So lines. And then some dots right in the middle. Or short lines, if you want to call it that way. So these are other types of flowers, which are a little bit different from daisies, but he uses the same technique. And then at the bottom, right here, we're going to add a little bit of yellow. And those are like lemons, I would say. Kind of look like lemons from the shape. It's like 3 lemons in there on the table, right in front of the vase. All right, and we are almost done with this project. So if you feel that you need to do any cleaning up here, or if you feel that somehow you need to fix something, go ahead and do that. Just going one more time on top of the yellows that I had before, but I don't want to touch them too much because my black is not dry yet and I don't want to make those dirty. You want to leave those nice and clean. And then last thing that I would do is with white. Just going to add a little or a small thin line here, simply to separate the table. And that's it about this painting, guys. So I'm glad you're here with me today, and hopefully you got to enjoy this painting. It's easy, it's not very difficult, and it's fun to play with. So thank you very much for being here with me today, and I look forward to seeing you again next time. Bye-bye.